Good afternoon mga ka-Destiny and welcome to our live show Destiny, the Rising P-Pop Stars. And I am Bumblebee, your host for today. And sa mga hindi nakakakilala po sa akin, ako po ay meron ng mga na-release na songs sa ABS-CBN Star Music and you can search it on ABS-CBN Star Music, YouTube, Spotify, and other digital platforms. My single is entitled Katuparan, Sabihin Ko Na Ba, and other composed by Coach Froilan Canlas and released to Star Music. So, before we start and before you meet our trainees, let me give you a brief detail about Destiny and tell you what its aim for P-pop industry. As we all know, P-pop is currently making a big impact in music industry like Beanie, SB19, wherein their popularity became worldwide. And our Philippine representative in Korean pop is kilala nyo na ba? Actually, naging co-host ko po siya dito sa Star Horizon back in the days. And sikat na siya guys ngayon. Sikat na Filipina sa K-pop. Can you guess it? So guys, kung hindi nyo nakikilala, I'll give an clue para naman mahulaan nyo. Siya ngayon ay nasa Eunice. May nagko-comment na ba? Comment lang guys, dahil libre lang mag-comment and para masaya tayo dito. May nakakuha na ba? Mukhang wala pa. So, another clue, siya po ay handle ngayon ng Star Horizon and via Universal Studios and FNF. Meron na bang tumama? Parang wala pa rin sa comment section natin. Meron na. So, ayan. Parang may tama na. Yes po, tama po kayo, si Jelly Danka po, ang member ng Eunice na sumali noon sa Universe Ticket. And alam nyo ba guys na si Jelly Danka is a product of Star Horizon? And yes po, ngayon po nasa Universal Studio na siya and co-manage po siya ng Star Horizon. So, I think si Jelly Danka nanonood. Pero kung nanonood ka man, hi Jelly, how are you? And congrats sa'yo and we are so proud of you. You made our country pride talaga, Jelly. And now na part ka na ng Eunice and Star Horizon artist ka na. Thank you din sa Star Horizon dahil sila ang nag-present sa'yo. Dahil talagang alam ng Star Horizon kung sino ang mga tinadhana to be the artist. Ang galing no? Kasi parang ang Star Horizon, alam nila kung sino magiging next star. And it happened na si Jelly ang naging star nila. So, ayun guys, feel ko itong Destiny will be the next stepping stone for the P-pop industry. Kaya naman, alam nyo ba, nabalitaan ko lang din na si Jelly noon ay hindi talaga magaling sumayaw. Pero pinilit siya ng Star Horizon na mag-submit ng video. And take note lang guys ha, may sakit siya noon. And tingnan nyo naman ngayon guys, dahil dun sa pagsusumikap niya, talaga namang naging sikat na siya. Ganun mag-manage ang Star Horizon and talagang napakagaling ng Star Horizon dahil kaya nila mapasikat and ang galing-galing nila mag-handle ng talents. So, para naman malaman natin bakit tinayo ng Star Horizon ang Destiny, Destiny is created to develop the talents of aspiring P-pop idols. Young generations, especially teens nowadays, are really into K-pop and P-pop. So, like trainees, they idolize the K-pop and P-pop groups na nagte-trending naman talagang nowadays. And here in Philippines, ito na ang start ng P-pop industry. And, para ma-recognize ang Philippine pop artists dito sa buong mundo, Destiny is perceived to make a big wave in P-pop industry. That is why Destiny is very meticulous in choosing the right members that will launch as the Destiny official members and P-pop stars. And since mga kabataan talaga ang nahuhuli ngayon sa P-pop, Destiny has come up with the teens and young generations auditioners. Among 3,000 and more applicants, wow, ang dami talaga no guys, 3,000 pala and more. Ang daming guests na talagang gusto mag-audition pero both online and actual, pero Destiny has to choose 9 trainees. and who will show off their potential at kailangan ipakita nila na they deserve their spot in Destiny. Actually, 11 na members na ngayon, guys. And 11 trainees na, guys. And ngayon, tingin nyo, who will be our Destiny? Who will fill up the remaining slots in Destiny and who will be the official members of the Destiny? So kung excited na kayo, malaman yan, malalaman din natin yan during their training. And before that, excited na ba kayo? Dahil ako guys, excited na. Ayan. Excited na ako makilala ang official trainees natin. Kaya sana excited din kayo guys. So, sino kaya sa kanila ang gusto mo maging member ng trainee, ng Destiny? Kayo po mga audience, and eto na guys, makikilala na natin ang official trainee ng Destiny. Let's call them now one by one. May I call on Alexa? Next, Queenie. May I call on Christine? And next one is Yvonne. Misha. Reezy. Irish. Bea. And last but not the least, Fiona. Sienna and Colleen is not present right now, but they're an official trainee of Destiny. So guys, abangan nyo na lang ang ating mga official trainees sa kanilang mga training. So, please welcome Alexa.
Stay away from Juliet, and I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all that there's to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby.
Ayan. So, ayan si Alexa, guys.
Hello mga ka-Destiny! I am Alexa from Lipa, Batangas.
So, Alexa, taga Batangas ka pa and ang layo. So, paano ka nagpe-prepare? Lalo na ang layo mo and ang layo ng studio ng Destiny sa Batangas.
Of course, there will be always struggles po throughout the journey into getting here. Pero physically po, I always prepare na I will always study the choreography beforehand going to trainings. And I also attend voice lessons po to be prepared and to see the certain things and where I am lacking of.
Nahihirapan ka ba sa biyahe? Kasi ang layo and ilang oras ang biyahe from Batangas to here.
Medyo mahirap po yung biyahe, pero I believe na kapag gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, wala na yung pagod para lang makuha talaga yung kagustuhan mo to achieve it.
Well, ganyan po talaga. If you want to be a Philippine pop idol and trainee, you have to commit yourself sa years of trainings and dapat i-consider din natin yung series of trainings before sila i-launch sa debut nila. Kaya believe ako sa mga trainees natin because they are really determined to commit their time, effort, and passion to their destiny. So, let's move naman dito sa katabi ko. How about you, Queenie?
I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze, love is a hit out loud. Don't know where to go, I can't do it alone. I've tried, and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl lost at the moment. I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down. I know I've got to let it go and just enjoy the show. The sun is high in the sky, just like a giant spotlight. The people follow the sign. After the dance floor.
Hi, Queenie. So, nakita natin ang audition ni Queenie. What are your expectation naman sa Destiny as a P-pop girl group?
Hi, I'm Queenie, your Destiny trainee from Lipa City, Batangas. Expectation po?
Yes.
Expected ko po na kami pong magkaka-group is magtutulong-tulong para po ma-achieve kung ano po yung kailangan naming ma-achieve pa at yun po.
Narinig ko, Queenie, magaling ka daw kumanta. Pwede bang makahingi kami ng sample dyan?
The whisper in the morning as love is sleeping inside, rolling back like thunder now as I look in your eyes. I hold on to your whole body as love is sleeping inside. Your voice is warm and tender a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. Thank you po.
Wow, ang galing naman pala talaga kumanta ni Queenie. So ayan guys, pasilip lang yan sa mga talent ng mga ating mga trainees. So mamaya marami pa tayong mga trainees. And let's move naman kay Christine. How about you, Christine? Can you go to the front? Can you greet our Ayan. So, Christine, nakita na namin ang inyong audition. And how about you, Christine? Can you greet our audience and syempre give us something about yourself?
Hi mga ka-Destiny, I'm Christine. I'm one of your Destiny trainees. I'm also from Lipa, Batangas.
Ang lalayo nila guys. So, how did you prepare yourself naman for Destiny? Nag-workshop ka ba muna or umattend ka ng any trainings before you go to this audition?
So, before po mag-audition, I also joined sa school namin ng Performing Arts Club. Doon po, sumasayaw kami in every events ng school. And then, nag-join din po ako ng voice lesson to enhance my voice po.
Wow! So talagang napaka-talented ng ating mga trainees. And kitang-kita naman sa sinabi niya, school pa lang, napapakita na kanila ang kanilang talento. So ngayon, mag-move naman tayo sa next trainee natin na si Yvonne.
Para bang di makibig. Tumakbo po ang minto, magulo ang puso kasi walking with you all beside me. Got a better grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba ito na darama? Oh shucks, ito ba yung pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? This boy, it feels so good. Padawa sa masaya. Pag mula nakita ka, wala nang nakakamba. Pag-ikay ka din na, feels like someone in love with you. Dahil sa pag-lapit ko, can't wait to go back with you. Dahil sa pag-lapit ko.
Hi! Hi mga ka-Destiny! I'm Yvonne and I am a nursing student and one of the trainees of Destiny.
Wow! So nakita natin sa audition ni Yvonne kung gaano siya kagaling umaura and kagaano siya kagaling mag-sing and dance. So, nalaman ko na nursing student ka pala, Yvonne. So, paano mo naman mapagsasabay ang schooling mo and ang pag-nursing student mo? Dahil alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap ang pag-nursing. Aside sa ang hectic ng schedule nyo sa time, paano mo mapagsasabay sa Destiny?
So we already know that nursing is really hard. Pero kahit na mahirap siya, na like napagsabay yung pag-aaral and training, I will still make time because it is also one of my dream to be in a P-pop group. And lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na it's now or never. Kasi kung hindi ngayon, kailan natin i-achieve yung dreams natin. So, for me, always believe in yourself and just pray and that everything will work out.
Yes, tama ka, Yvonne. Always believe in yourself. Lalo sa gantong P-pop group, kailangan talaga. And so, good luck sa'yo, Yvonne, and saludo ako sa'yo. You are really determined to be our trainee in this destiny. So, move naman tayo kay Misha. Step front and... Ayan. So, Misha, before anything else, what are your expectation naman pag ikaw ang napili dito as a member of Destiny? And introduce yourself na din.
Hello mga ka-Destiny. I am Misha from Quezon City. And I hope you will support me as a trainee here sa Destiny.
My question is, what is your expectation naman kapag ikaw ang napili bilang isang official member ng Destiny?
Ayun po. In-expect ko po na mahirap po yung mga paparating na trainings namin. And of course, mag-work hard po kami para sa mga supporters namin.
Yes, totoo yan. Talagang napakahirap maging isang part ng P-pop group or band. So, good luck sa'yo, Misha. And now, let's hear from Rizzy naman.
Lumapit na ang araw, hinahanap ko sa sabi, di na mawala sa isip, nakita kang kapalit, gusto ko'y bigyan makasalita, ano nga bang sinabi, nagapit pa ang kapuli, ang footprints listen, so all you do is sign, very grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba
Ayan, so that's Rizzy from our previous video. And parang kanina pa, ang daming commentors ni Rizzy. So ngayon, it's Rizzy's time to introduce herself. And introduce yourself, Rizzy.
Hello mga ka-Destiny, I am Rizzy Ansi Arindain from Angat, Bulacan. I hope you to support our journey, especially the Destiny. So,
Ayan, so isa pa pala si Rizzy sa mga malalayo. So, taga Bulacan ka. Ngayon naman, papaano mo naman napagsasabay ang training mo sa Destiny? How do you cope up?
of course, we have to prepare early, especially nga po na malayo ako. And I have to do a time management para, ma-cope up ko kung ano yung time na dapat nandito na kami sa studio. And also, when it comes to training naman po, I believe it's not all about vocal training and dance training. It is also about on how you develop you as a person. I believe dun po natin mahasa ang ating communication skills and ang ating stage presence.
Ayan, thank you, Rizzy. So being a trainee pa lang, dun pa lang talaga masusubukan na natin kung how determined they are to be the deserving spot in Destiny. Kaya palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. Ayan, and syempre, proceed tayo kay Irish. Irish, step up please and greet them.
Hello.
There you were Romeo, wasn't Scarlet Letter. My daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging me, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we could be alone. I'll be waiting. All is left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess.
Ayan, so that's Irish. Talaga namang napaka-talented. Ang gagaling ng ating mga trainees. So, greet them naman, Irish.
Hello po, I am your Destiny trainee Irish and I am from Capas, Tarlac. And to all our viewers out there, kamusta naman po kayo? Are you enjoying the live, guys? And to my parents, thank you for supporting me and my family and my friends.
Wow, so Tarlac. May I ask you a question naman, Irish? So how do you prepare yourself every time naman na may trainings kayo dito sa Destiny? And hindi ka ba nahihirapan dahil ikaw ang napili sa Destiny member as a trainee? Siyempre, years of trainings yan. And paano mo mapagsasabay ang schooling mo sa pagta-training dito sa Destiny?
Well, first po, I prepare my things po that I'll need for our training po. And to your second question naman po, hindi naman po siya mahirap kasi on weekends lang po. And yun nga po, sabi po nila, our training po is on weekends lang or holidays. So, yun lang po.
Ayan. So, thank you, Irish. Magpo-proceed naman tayo syempre sa next training natin na si Bea. Bea, please greet them, please.
Following your footprints and friends, walking with your side. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadalama? Siguro ay pag-ibig na. Totoo ang pinag. This boy, it feels so good.
Ayan. So, Bea, hello. So, Bea, pang beauty queen ang height mo and ang beauty mo. So, bakit mo naisipan sumali dito sa Destiny? Knowing na pwede ka mag-modeling.
Papakilala po.
Okay, yeah, magpakilala ka muna.
Hi mga ka-Destiny! I am your trainee Bea from Cainta Rizal. So yung napanood nyo po, okay, hindi po ako yan. So to answer your question po, actually, I used to do modeling and pageantry po nung elementary school po ako. Pero hindi po ako ganun ka dedicated po doon para i-pursue siya. Tapos, I used to dance din po sa mga events sa school po namin. Ayun po talaga yung gusto ko. Doon po talaga ako nag-enjoy. Kaya napaisip po ako noon na if ever na merong P-pop dito sa Pilipinas, sasali talaga ako. Ay!
So, ang jolly ni Bea. So, napaka-talented ni Bea, guys. And gaya ng sabi niya, nagmo-modeling din pala talaga siya. Kasi halata naman parang sa height and looks niya, pang modeling siya. And ang galing, no? Kasi ang Star Horizon ang naging stepping stone para maging open uli yung hilig mo sa passion mo sa pagsayaw. Tama? Ayan. So, thank you, Bea. Di ba mga ka-Destiny, comment lang kayo dyan kung sino-sino supportan nyo. And don't forget to send stars to show your support na din sa ating mga trainees. And syempre, I'll call on Fiona. Last but not the least. Ayun, umaaura.
Really affection for years and years. Now I have it, and darling, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With
Ayan, so that's Fiona. Tama? Parang si Fiona yung pinaka cheerful sa inyong lahat, no? Feeling ko siya lagi yung nagjo-joke sa inyo. Pero yeah, jokes aside, Fiona, bakit mo napili mag-audition sa Destiny? And ano naman na feel mo na among 3,000 and more applicants, isa ka sa napiling trainee sa Destiny?
Well, first of all po, i-introduce ko po muna sa sarili ko.
Yeah, tama.
Hi mga ka-Destiny, I am your Destiny trainee, Fiona, and I am from Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Ayan. So, meron pa akong question sa'yo. Di ba?
Back
Okay,
to the
take your
question
time.
po. Ever since bata po ako, talagang na-enjoy ko po yung mag-perform, mag-dance po. So, nung nalaman ko po tungkol sa P-pop tsaka K-pop po, parang na-inspire po ako na maging parang sila. Pero nung dati po, medyo hindi po ako gaanong confident sa skill ko na mag-audition po, ganon. So, kinailangan ko po muna i-work up yung confidence ko. And by the time na confident na ako sa sarili ko, nakita ko po yung audition para sa Destiny and inisip ko, 'di ba, now or never na. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity while I still could. And right now,
sobrang kahit hindi po halata, sobrang saya ko po, tsaka sobrang proud po ako sa sarili ko na napili po ako maging Destiny trainee out of that many applicants po.
Wow, thank you, Fiona. And talaga na-appreciate nila yung being part and being a trainee of Destiny. So you heard it, guys, from our trainees. You witnessed how dedicated they are. And ito talaga ang passion nila. So we wish you all the luck and best of luck to all our trainees. All of you deserve the spots, guys. Kayo po mga audience namin, mga ka-Destiny. Meron din tayong mga trainee pa na wala ngayon dito sa studio. So, let's call on Siana and let's watch their video.
From Nature Sense, home of organic products.
So, and guys, nakilala na natin silang lahat. And now, makakasama natin sila for one-on-one interview. And para makilala natin sila pa ng husto, tatawagin ko sila at magtatanong ako sa kanila. So, please don't forget to comment the name of your Destiny trainees that you want to support up until their training period. And syempre, if you want to support your trainees, please send stars para mapakita nyo ang support nyo sa ating mga trainees. And let's proceed. Person, I'll call on Alexa. Hi, Alexa. You're back. So, let's greet our audience ulit.
Hello mga ka-Destiny! I am Alexa and once again, I am from Lipa, Batangas and I am one of your aspiring trainees to be part of Destiny. I am hoping that you support my journey and Destiny's journey as well as we prepare for the debut.
So, for my question naman, dahil one-on-one interview tayo, what are your experiences from being an auditionee and ngayon na trainee ka na dito sa Destiny?
Actually, nung nag-audition po ako, there was a fear na what if hindi ako matanggap po? What if may mas magaling pa sa akin? But within this training po, and I met several trainees then na kagaya ko, they were also having the same doubt and fear na what if may someone na mas magaling sa kanila? But together right now, we are conquering that fear and working on that lack of confidence. And I can say that yung experience ko po, it was really great. And it was nice socializing with the girls and learning new things and stuffs na kaya ko naman palang gawin.
And for my next question naman, gaano ka-importante sa'yo ng P-pop or K-pop?
Just like K-pop po. K-pop is very important to me as it allows us and it gives us the freedom to express ourselves very much. Kasi for me po, P-pop is very expressive. Like yung mga songs nila, yung mga dance nila, it gives you the opportunity to express the feelings and emotions na gusto mong iparating sa mga supporters or sa mga tao na pinapanood ka.
Okay, thank you, Alexa. And if you want to promote something, you can promote yourself na. Your FB page.
Hello everyone, once again, I am hoping that you support my journey and Destiny support as well. Please follow Destiny's official page on Facebook and Instagram at Destiny Official. Thank you!
Ayan, thank you, Alexa. And now, let's proceed to Queenie. Hey, Queenie, welcome back.
Hi mga ka-Destiny! I'm Queenie, your Destiny trainee from Lipa City, Batangas.
So, Queenie, I have a question for you. So, gaya ng question ko kanina, how important is P-pop or K-pop for you?
Sobrang importante po niya sa akin. Kasi mga nakikita ko pong P-pop is kahit sobrang hirap po ng ginagawa nila, talagang go po sila para maabot po yung pangarap at mga gusto nila.
And dahil mukhang na-inspired ka, ano pa yung mga inspirations na nakukuha mo sa kanila?
Ano po, yung pagiging sobrang confident po nila, tas yung pagsayaw po nila, tas sobrang gagaling po nilang kumanta.
Okay, so for my last question, do you think you'll be one of that confident people na magiging part and syempre magiging member of Destiny?
Sa akin po, gusto ko po talagang makuha at maging ganun kagaya po nila. Pero kung hindi man po, okay lang din po sa akin. At least po, na-share ko po yung kung anong meron po ako at kung ano pong na para maging inspirasyon din po sa ibang.
Okay, ang galing naman, Queenie. And syempre, need mo rin i-promote ang FB page mo if you have any.
So, wag niyo pong kakalimutan i-follow and i-like at supportahan niyo din po ang Destiny social media accounts sa IG, YouTube, and Facebook.
Ayan, thank you, Queenie. And now, I'll call on Yvonne. Christine. Okay, let's call on Christine.
And then it's about you, baby. Only you. You. 내가 힘들 때, 울 것 같을 때, 기운도 이제 나지 않을 때. It's you. 날 걱정하니, it's you. 날 웃게 하니, 말은 해도 돼, but what do you say? 멀리든 언제든지 달려와. 바쁜 척도 없이 난 나타나. 이게 말이 되니 난 물어봐. 너는 말야, don't just live in your system, baby. Oh my God, yes on that. I was really hoping that he
Ayan guys, that's Christine. And alam nyo ba guys, ang Destiny is now trending in social media, especially in TikTok. And in 1.5 months, they already had 18 million views. And take note lang guys ha, May 9 lang sila nag-upload ng mga videos. And per video lang naman, 2 million ang nag-uusing views nila. And talaga namang instant popularity kapag nasa Destiny ka. Kaya, syempre, ganyan talaga magpasikat ang Star Horizon. Kaya, sobrang sikat ni Jelly. Kaya, good luck sa mga ka-Destiny natin dito and I wish you all the luck. So, Christine, you're here. So, guys, nang sa iba, I have many questions for you. Ready na ba? Ready na? Mag-introduce ka.
Hi, mga ka-Destiny. Again, I'm Christine, one of your aspiring Destiny trainees hoping to be part of Destiny. And I also hope that you will support me and other member trainees here in our journey.
Ayan. So, for my first question, Christine, di ba nag-training na kayo? Ano yung mga nag-improve dahil dito sa training mo sa Destiny?
So, mostly po is yung sa kanta and yung socializing sa ibang hindi po namin kilala. Because nung pumasok naman po kami dito, siguro po medyo magkakakilala po. Pero na-improve ko din po doon na kaya ko pong makipagsabayan sa kanila kahit ngayon lang po ako nagsasayaw and nagkakakanta. And natutunan ko din po na mag-socialize sa kanila.
Ayan, so Star Horizon really is something na magiging stepping stone nyo para ma-bring out yung full potential nyo. So, guys, sa mga trainees natin, good luck sa inyo and nakita ko naman yung improvement nyo from your answers and sa mga confidence nyo. So, I have another question for you. How important is P-pop or K-pop for you naman?
Sobrang important po nun sa akin kasi naka-wallpaper po yung mga bias ko. Lagi ko pong inaabangan lahat ng mga videos nila. So, na-amaze po kasi ako sa kanila na idolize ko po sila sa sayaw nila, yung nag-perform sila in the stage. So, naisip ko, what if gawin ko din since idolize ko sa nila, baka kaya ko din siyang gawin. So, ayun po.
Ayun. So, talagang yung mga idols natin from P-pop and K-pop is someone na nakaka-motivate sa atin. And syempre, dahil doon na rin tayo pumunta, tatanong ko na rin, sino yung ini-stan mo sa P-pop and K-pop?
So, first ko pong babanggatin is si Ate Jelly po sa Eunice. Nung nag-universe ticket po siya, inaabangan ko na po lahat ng TikTok na update. And siya din po yung isang reason bakit nag-join ako ng Destiny. Kaya ako din po nakita yung Destiny because of Ate Jilly Dangka. Ka-model ko po siya and then nag-universe ticket po siya. Nakita ko po yung Destiny na pinanggalingan niya. So, na-idolize ko po siya na gawin ko din, baka mag-work po.
Wow! Ang galing naman, Christine. Thank you and I'm wishing you all the best, Christine. So now, let's proceed on Yvonne. So, ayan. Hello, Yvonne.
Po.
Can you greet our audience again?
So, hi mga ka-Destiny. I'm Yvonne, one of the trainees of Destiny.
And so, syempre, gaya ng mga naunang mga trainees natin, may question din ako para sa'yo. So, Sino naman nag-i-inspire sa'yo para pumasok ka dito sa Destiny?
Ang nag-inspire po sa akin is yung sarili ko. Like yung dream ko, yun po talaga yung nagiging inspiration ko kasi mahilig po talaga akong kumanta and sumayaw. And then sabi ko, bakit hindi ko i-try? Kasi baka mag-work din naman. Yan po.
Ayun. So, dahil naman pala talagang gusto mo yung singing and dancing, sino naman ang K-pop or P-pop group na talagang ina-idolize mo or ini-stan mo?
So sa K-pop po, yung Blackpink po. And then sa P-pop naman po, yung BINI.
Okay, so Bini fan ka rin pala. Kaya pala mga pantropiko mga sinasayaw nyo kanina. So, ayan. Meron pa rin ako isang question sa'yo. Ano naman yung mga experiences mo from being an auditionee and being the official trainee of Destiny?
So nung audition po, the day po ng audition, medyo na-late po ako. And then yun, sinabi ko kay Lord, if nakasara talaga yung gate, hindi na siya para sa akin. Eh yun, nakabukas. Eh di pumasok ako. So ngayon, and then nakita ko yung mga mag-audition. So kinakabahan talaga ako kasi parang, tutuloy pa ba ako or what? And then, ayun, hanggang sa pumasok na kami dito sa loob. And then nagtatawag ng volunteer. So walang nagvo-volunteer. Kaya nag-volunteer ako. And then, ayun, nag-volunteer ako para mapakita din sa iba na someday kaya din nilang mag-volunteer. And then as a trainee naman, okay lang. So yun, masaya naman kasi nagkaroon ako ng chance para makilala sila. Kasi nung first day nga, nagkakahiyaan kami. So parang may iba't ibang impression tayo. So ngayon, nakilala ko na sila. Mas lalo ko silang minamahal and parang pinag-iingatan ko as ate nila.
Wow, so ate naman pala. And take note guys mahilig siya mag-volunteer. So alam nyo na sa mga teachers ni Yvonne kapag may mga recitation, tawagin nyo kasi mahilig mag-volunteer. And ayan, so kung may mga ipapromote ka, mga FB page mo, kindly promote it na.
So everyone, don't forget to follow Destiny PH and Destiny Official and Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Thank you, Yvonne. And now, magpo-proceed tayo sa next trainee natin. And let's call on Misha.
Magduda pa ka lang sa simula, maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ng aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. Ay pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin?
Ayan, so that's Misha. So parang kanina tumutugtog yung Bini song dito, sumasayaw siya. Ayan, okay, ta naman ata. So, ayan, introduce yourself ulit. Greet our audience, Misha.
Hello mga ka-Destiny, I am Misha, and I hope you support me and kami na sa journey namin dito sa Destiny.
Ayan. So guys, let's support our trainees and to support our trainees, kindly send us stars and indicate the name of your trainee na sinusuportahan nyo para mag-count ito. And maraming salamat sa mga nagiging viewers natin dyan, sa mga active commenters natin dyan. Maraming salamat. And please stay tuned dahil marami pa tayong makikita, malalaman, and syempre masasaksihan dito sa Bini interview natin. This Destiny. Bini tuloy. Destiny, guys. Ayan, next Bini. So, for my first question, can you tell me your experience naman from being an auditionee to being an official trainee of Destiny?
At first po, di po talaga ako kinakabahan. I was so calm and confident na parang maiisip ko na makukuha talaga ka. Tapos ayun po. And nung pagising ko, tanggap ako!
Wow. Ganun yung surprise? Ganun talaga? Wow! Okay. So, nakakatuwa dahil may confidence talaga siya and kitang-kita naman natin. Pero, ayun. Next question ko dahil napag-usapan natin confidence. Ano naman yung mga naging lesson and mga natutunan mo dito sa training mo sa Destiny?
Natutunan ko po makipaghalubilo sa ibang tao, lalo na po kapag di mo kilala. Doon po talaga hindi ko po talaga kaya yun eh. Mahihain po kasi ako. Share ko lang po.
Talaga? Mayayain ka? Parang hindi naman. Pero yeah, nakakatuwa kasi na-build up mo yung confidence mo and natulungan ka ng Destiny para dyan sa mga inspirations mo. So, ayan. Dahil inspiration, ano naman inspiration mo dito sa pagiging trainee?
Yung mga K-pop, P-pop din po. Kasi po na-inspire talaga ako sa kanila. And gusto ko po maging kagaya nila. Tapos yung mga supporters naman po namin yung ma-inspire sa akin.
And who exactly is your P-pop and K-pop stan? Sino-sino?
Same as Ate Yvonne po, Blackpink and Beanie.
Okay. So marami talagang Beanie fans dito. So, ayan. Parang feeling ko sila na yung magiging next Beanie. So, ayan. Saksihan natin guys. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga trainees. Pero marami pa sila. Kaya just stay tuned guys dahil marami pa tayong tatanungin. And now, thank you Misha. Let's proceed on Rizzy.
You don't even know my name, super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, make you mine. Leaning 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, make you mine. leaning 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy. 그게 언제쯤일까? 넌 사람일까? I wanna know. 나는 달콤하다는데 I wanna know.
Hello, Rizzy. Welcome back. And before anything else, let's greet our audience first.
Again, hello mga ka-Destiny. I'm Rizzy from Angat, Bulacan. And I do encourage you to support my journey and my co-trainees journey here on Destiny.
Ayan. So, dahil napag-usapan yung trainee, sabi mo, do you think you will last of years of training here in Destiny?
Well, of course po. I believe kasi kapag dedicated ka talaga sa ginagawa mo, kahit ano pang pagsubok and kahit gaano pa kahirap yung hinaharap mo, basta may determination ka at gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, mapagtatagumpayan mo.
Wow! So, ganyan yung mga determination ng ating mga trainees, guys. Kitang-kita naman. So, nakakatuwa. And, magpaproceed ako sa next question ko. Dahil lahat naman kayo, Beanie fan dito, alam ko na ayun yung iniistan nyo. Gusto ko naman malaman kung sino ang inspirasyon nyo in your family, in your friends, in other cycle.
Well, my number one source of my inspiration po talaga is yung mom and dad ko. Kasi, alam mo yun, kahit malayo pa kami, taga Bulacan kami, sila talagang dalawa yung nagtulak sa akin para itry ito and ipakita sa mga supporters ng Destiny kung ano po yung kaya ko. And Mom and Dad, I love you so much. Thank you.
Nagulat naman ako dun sa ang galing kasi ang supportive ng mga parents nila. Pero hinay-hinay lang mga mommy and daddy sa pagtulak. Baka masubsob minsan. Hindi, joke lang. Pero ayun, paano mo naman na-convince yung parents mo na mag-try dito? Kasi, syempre, di ba, ang layo and nowadays yung mga parents natin hindi knowledgeable sa mga P-pop and K-pop groups. So, paano mo na-explain?
Well, actually po, yung dad ko, he used to be a performer po talaga nung bata siya. That's why, naintindihan niya yung gusto ko na pagtanda ko, gusto ko rin maging katulad niya na, stage presence and he's very confident po kasi. And when it comes to that, sinabi ko sa mama ko una, sabi ko, Ma, gusto kong i-try ito kasi parang maganda and daddy ko pa rin naman dream ko. And sabi niya, sige, try mo. And then, nag-video ako sa bahay namin ng online audition and grabe, 1 p.m. up to 4 p.m. hindi po ako natapos kakashoot ng salamin-salamin. Narindi na po yung mga kapitbahay namin sa akin.
Ayun. So, meron naman pala talagang background si Rizzy sa ano, dahil yung dad niya is dating performer. And talagang napaka-determined kasi talagang paulit-ulit niya daw sinayaw yung salamin-salamin. And nakakatuwa dahil ganun sila ka-determined. So, thank you, Rizzy. And if may pa-promote ka, promote mo na yung mga social media mo. And please invite them to support you.
Hello mga ka-Destiny. Again, I am encouraging you to support my journey. And please follow, like, and subscribe our page and channel at Destiny Official PH. Thank you.
Thank you, Rizzy. Rizzy. Rizzy pala. So, ayun, for our next one-on-one interview, let's call on Irish. Ayan. So, hello Irish. Welcome back. And let's greet our audience first once again.
Hello mga ka-Destiny, I'm your Destiny trainee Irish. And please support our journey as a trainee here in Destiny.
Ayan, Irish. So, gaya ng mga tanong ko sa kanila, paano mo na-convince yung parents mo na mag-try dito sa Destiny?
Well, actually po, yung mom ko, medyo familiar na po siya sa K-pop since alam naman po nila na I'm very into K-pop and my mom is into K-drama, so she's very familiar with it. And yung dad ko naman po, is sinabi ko lang po sa kanya na mag-audition ako and he's very supportive naman po. So, yung mga parents and family ko po, thank you, I love you guys.
Ayan. So, mukhang napaka-loving ni Irish dahil talagang ina-acknowledge niya yung mga family members niya. So, for my next question, ano naman yung mga experiences mo from being an auditionee and being an official trainee of Destiny?
Well, yung una po, nag-audition po ako online and I started mga 12 p.m. Tapos natapos po ako ng mga 1 a.m. Ganun. Kasi po, inulit-ulit ko po yung salamin-salamin. Nairita po ako, so nagpan-trophy ko po ako. So, ayun po yung sinend ko and I got in. Tapos, nag-audition na po ako here sa studio mismo and I got in ulit po, thankfully. And ayun po, as a trainee naman po, it's very, masaya naman po yung experience ko with the others kasi friendly naman po sila.
Ayun. So, thank you, Irish. And tama yun, no? Totoo yun, guys, na try and try until you succeed. Kasi, inayawan niya yung salamin-salamin, pero sa pantropiko, di ba? Nakuha siya. So, talagang, napaka-giving din talaga, na kapag andun yung dedication and yung heart mo, talagang bibiyayaan ka. So, for my last question naman, do you think you will last in years of trainings here in Destiny?
Well, yes po actually. Kasi po, when I'm very into something, I'll pursue it po talaga. I'm a very committed person po. So, I think I'll last naman po.
Okay, thank you, Irish. And before anything else, if may mga pro-promote ka, your FB, your YouTube, your TikTok, promote mo na.
Hello mga ka-Destiny. Please follow our Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok page at Destiny PH and at Destiny Official.
Ayan, thank you, Irish. And now, mag-move tayo sa ating next trainee na si Bea. So, may I call on Bea? Hello, Bea. Welcome back. And mukhang kanina po masaya. So, ayan. Ipa-feel mo naman sa audience natin yung kasiyahan mo. Greet our audience.
Hi mga ka-Destiny! I am Bea, one of the aspiring trainees in Destiny. Please support me and my journey in Destiny. Ayun lang.
Ayan. So, ready ka na ba sa questions?
Ay, opo.
Okay. So, for my first question, what is your inspiration to join here in Destiny?
It's a dream po kasi parang yung P-pop po. Gusto ko po talaga maging P-pop. Kaya nung nakakita ako ng P-pop po kasi dito sa Pilipinas.
Pag daw hindi pa bayad, pay. Pero pag bayad na daw, fee. Kaya, fee-fop. Ganon, tama ba?
P-pop.
Ayan. Thank you, Bea. And for our next question naman, how important is P-pop for you?
Dream nga po siya eh.
Okay, ulitin mo sagot mo, Bea.
Hindi ko na po habaan kasi pangarap ko po talaga yun.
Okay, so mag-stay as is na tayo doon. So, move to our next question. Natatawa pa ako, guys. Sorry, pasensya na. And, ayan. For my next question, how did you convince your parents naman na gusto mo mag-try dito sa knowing na nowadays yung mga parents natin hindi masyado naiintindihan yung mga K-pop, K-drama, and etc. Paano mo sila na-convince?
Yung mga parents ko naman po, support lang po sila sa kung ano yung gusto ko. So, nung audition po ako, nag-go lang din po sila and do my best daw po. Ganon.
Wow, talaga namang mga napaka-supportive ng ating mga parents from Destiny trainees. So, last question. Ano naman mga experience mo from being a trainee to being auditionee?
So, nung nag-audition po ako, tatlong part po pala yun, hindi po ako aware. Akala ko, hiwalay po yung singing sa dancing. Kaya nung nagsabay na po, gumanon-ganon po yung utak ko. Hindi ko na po maintindihan yung kaya mukha rin akong ewan doon.
Pero 'di ba, ang Destiny, ang Star Horizon is someone na talagang nag-help sa inyo to bring the best in you, 'di ba? So, ayun, if may mga promote ka, promote mo na like your FB page, YouTube, and other digital social media.
Hi mga ka-Destiny, please follow Destiny and TikTok and Facebook, pati po sa YouTube. Destiny PH and Destiny Official.
Ayan. So, thank you, Bea. And syempre, last but not the least, let's call on Fiona. So, hello Fiona. Ayan, tingin ko si Fiona talaga yung joker dito sa among the trainees natin eh. So, talagang siya yung lagi nagpapatawa dito sa mga trainees natin. Pero jokes aside, introduce yourself muna, syempre. Greet our audience.
Hi mga ka-Destiny! Once again, I am Destiny trainee Fiona. And I hope you follow me and the other trainees here at Destiny on our journey as Destiny trainers. Trainees po. As Destiny trainees.
Ayan. So, gaya ng sabi ni Fiona guys, please support them to their journey here in Destiny. And to support your trainee, you can comment and indicate the name of your trainee na sinusuportahan nyo para naman talagang manatili pa dito ang mga trainees na sinusuportahan nyo. And for my question for you, Fiona, ano ang experience mo from being an auditionee and being an official member, trainee of Destiny?
Well, nung audition day po, talagang prepared po ako noon. Pero kinabahan po talaga ako na yung kotse po namin, nasa labas pa po ng building. Ayoko po umalis. Naka 15 minutes po siguro ako doon. Ayoko lumabas. Tapos in-encourage po ako ng magulang ko na gawin ko na kasi rare occasion po to para sa akin. Kaya ayun po, pumunta po ako. Tapos nag-audition po ako. Tapos ayun, mas po yung confidence ko. Tapos sa training po, ayun.
Ayan. So, palatawa si Fiona, no? So, for my next question, do you think you will last in years of trainings naman here in Destiny?
Of course naman po. Kasi, how do I say this? Kasi po, ito po yung gusto ko pong gawin. Dedicated po ako dito. And since matagal ko na po ito gusto, alam ko naman po na, alam ko na mahirap yung magiging training namin. Pero I will do whatever it takes so I can achieve my goal and debut.
Wow, okay, that's great. And for my last question, who inspires you to join Destiny?
Sarili ko po kasi sarili ko po kasi like yung yung passion ko po para sa P-pop, yung passion ko po sa dancing, nakaka-inspire po din siya sa sarili ko. Kaya, ayun po, nai-inspire po ako.
Ayan. So, thank you, Fiona. And, ayan guys, nakita nyo naman how smart ang ating mga ka-Destiny. And, syempre, you can express your support via sending stars and commenting the name of your trainee na talagang sinusuportahan nyo. And, tingin nyo deserving to fill the remaining slots. So, just to give you a brief information, guys, about becoming trainees of Destiny. And as a trainee, they will have a few sessions of trainings wherein doon natin mabibase kung talagang deserving sila doon sa place and doon sa place nila bilang member of Destiny. And please watch this, guys. Ayan. So that's our official Destiny trainees. And guys, let me please ask you again na please follow them kung sino man sa tingin nyo ang mga trainees na gusto nyo suportahan. And guys, alam nyo ba na magde-debut sila and they will release their mini album in debut. And yes, album talaga guys. Hindi lang basta single, kundi album talaga. And kaya, watch out for it dahil ako excited na guys. Kaya sana, please, sana kayo din excited na. And sino kaya sa kanila ang magde-debut? Kayo guys, mga ka-Destiny, sino ang bet nyo? Dahil sino sa palagay nyo ang next destined to be the Destiny? Please comment that and please support our Destiny trainees. Ayan, so baka gusto nyo thank you guys and ask them to follow your journey here in Destiny.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching and I am hoping that you will support throughout this journey and we will make a debut and with banger song. Hope that you watch out for that and get ready to sing and dance with us in the future.
Hello po sa mga nanonood po ngayon ng live. Maraming salamat po sa suporta at panonood ng live ngayong araw.
Hi mga ka-Destiny, thank you for watching this live and I really hope na you will still continue watch and support our journey throughout this training here at Destiny. Thank you!
So, hi everyone! Thank you for watching our live. And sana i-support nyo po kami and follow our journey po as a trainee. And sana i-support nyo pa rin po kami kahit na hindi po kami makukuha lahat. I-support nyo po pa rin yung Destiny. Thank you po!
Hello po! Thank you po sa mga nanood ng live, sa mga nag-send ng stars. Thank you po sa classmates ko, sa parents, sa family. And sana po supportahan niyo po yung journey ko and kaming mga trainees. Thank you po! Hello again mga ka-Destiny. Thank you very much po sa nag-show ng support sa amin, sa mga nag-send ng stars. We're hoping po na until the last ay nandyan po kayo para supportahan kami. Thank you!
What's up mga ka-Destiny? Thank you for supporting our live today. Thank you for coming to our live today. I hope that you support our journey as a trainee here. And even po, if hindi kami makuha lahat, I hope na you can stay at the end.
Hello mga ka-Destiny! Thank you so much po for watching and sharing our live. Especially po sa family ko and sa mga kakilala ko po, mga kaibigan, mga classmates. Thank you so much po.
What's up mga ka-Destiny? I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this live, sharing this live, and for supporting us. I also wanted to especially thank my classmates, my friends, my family members, my teachers, and those who are here to support me, and my mga kasama ko po. I hope you guys continue to support us further, even if hindi naman po lahat kami mag-debut.
Ayan guys, so that's our official Destiny trainees. And hindi pa dyan nagtatapos guys, dahil let's welcome Destiny trainees for their production number with our pambansang P-pop song, Pantropico.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa tingin na kalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong iling sa mga dala. sent to walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Malapit na ang araw nang ika'y muling nakausap. Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang papalapit, puso ko'y bigla nang mapakalit. Ano nga bang sinapit, kakapit pa hanggang muli. Following your footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Island sitting on the white sand, guess if I'm in love with you, 'cause with you boy I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh. Pinamotan ng kilig, nabigay riyan, kasi para bang di na mapigil. Makabog, huminto, gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmumula nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, sa islang pantropiko.
Thank you so much, guys! Ayan! So, thank you so much for watching our live show. And sana po supportahan nyo ang ating mga Destiny trainees throughout their journey here in their training period. Happy ba kayo sa performance nyo, guys? Yan. So, nakita naman natin gano'n sila talaga nag-improve, no? So, ayun. Talaga mo masaya-masaya mga ating mga Destiny trainees. And thank you very much po sa ating mga live viewers. Diyan na talaga namang sumabaybay at tinapos ang ating live show. And syempre sa ating mga commentors, sa mga naglapag ng mga stars and gifts diyan, maraming salamat po. And you can say your farewell na, guys. Yan.
Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand.